Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of The Dirt Road Home. In this episode you're going to see us moving out to the block. We're out here, we're going to be packing up our current rental property, putting everything into a shipping container, packing our caravan and coming out to the block where we're going to live off the grid while we build this house. And just like that, we have a shipping container. Our whole life about to be boxed up in one package. Should be fun. Let's hope it's watertight. Good thing is it's got good seals all the way around the doors. I just had a look inside. It's all nice and sealed, all freshly sort of painted. It's got some little ventilation sort of holes down the side there, so it should be good. I don't think our furniture should sort of rot or go mouldy. Probably open the door every now and again, but probably for the next 6 months, everything's in there. Now the fun part, start packing. And this is part of the fun as well. Packing up to move house. Especially when your wife does nothing, sits over there. Bludgers.
I just earn the money.
Yeah, right. The girls having fun during pack up day, aren't you?
Yeah.
You helping pack some boxes?
Door.
No?
I'm getting dressed.
Alright, it's a big day for us. This signifies our 12-month lease ending at our rental here. Been up on the Sunshine Coast for about that long. And now we've got the van all packed and ready for the move out to the block. So what you're going to see next is getting all set up. And yeah, life on the block. Wish us luck. So that ends day one of the first stage of the build, setting up our temporary home, our caravan. Now that's we've got to get some furniture and stuff that we put in there, but basically that's now in a spot. It's nice and high where no water will actually get into this annex, so we can set up some couches and some tables and things like that. But as I've shown you guys before, everything's pretty much over there in the container. If we need to get access to it, we can. But yeah, home away from home till our house is built. Alright, so there you go guys, you got to see the big move. We're now out here living partially off the grid in our van, and we're going to be out here for who knows, the next 12 months, 2 years, whenever we run out of money, whatever comes first, I don't know. But it's going to be fun nevertheless. We're pretty well set up, so yeah, happy to be out here living on the land and building. So thanks for watching guys. If you are new, please subscribe, hit the notification button so you stay up to date with all the episodes, and follow us on all our socials as well. Cheers guys, catch you next episode.